Welcome back to our channel. Have you ever been in the middle of an important task when your computer suddenly restarts without warning? It can be frustrating and disruptive also. But fear not. In today's video, we will guide you through the step to disable force restart. This will prevent accidental or unwanted restart, ensuring a smoother and uninterrupted workflow. So let's get started. So the first step is to open the group policy editor. So for that, first you have to press the Windows plus R on keyboard to open the run dialog box, and here you have to type 𝑔𝑝𝑒dit.𝗵𝑆𝐶 and click on OK. This will launch the group policy editor. Keep in mind that the group policy editor is only available in certain edition of Windows, such as Windows Pro and Enterprise. If you are using Windows Home, this method won't be applicable. Okay. So this is our local group policy editor page. So I need to first adjust this page, and in the left hand side you will find computer configuration. Under computer configuration, there is a folder called Windows Settings. You have to expand this. Under this you will find security settings. You need to open this also. Under security settings you will find local policies. Click here to expand this, and here you will notice security options. So just click over here, and in the right hand pane scroll down little bit, and you will find one option called shutdown. Allow system to be shut down without having to log on. Okay. So double click on it to modify its settings. In the policy properties windows, you will see there is a two options, enable and disable. You can also find not configured option in some of the machines. So by default it's set to enable, which means the force restart option is enabled. So you have to disable it. For that you have to select disable options, and after that click on apply, then click on OK to save the changes. Now that we have made the necessary changes, it's time to restart your PC for the settings to take effects. Remember to save any ongoing work before proceeding. Okay, so that's it. You have successfully disabled the force restart option on your PC using the group policy editor. This will help you avoid accidental restart and reduce the risk of losing valuable data. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more tech related content. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comment sections below. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.